Samsung's next big Galaxy Unpacked event is still a few days away, but it hasn't stopped luxury device customizer Caviar from selling a special Lionel Messi-themed edition of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Described as a tribute to the legendary footballer, the phone features handcrafted cloisonne enamel artwork of Messi's likeness done up in the traditional colors of the Argentinian national team and 24-karat gold plating. Caviar even includes a FIFA badge highlighting the country's World Cup winning run in 2022, along with its official crest and the Adidas logo, because apparently you can't leave anyone out. It comes in a royal blue custom box, along with even more 24-karat gold plating and a custom Caviar key. However, the most eye-popping thing about it is the price. It's listed for a whopping $13,130. The phone is yet to be officially announced, and there's no official pricing from Samsung yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra will offer 256GB of base storage, 512GB, or 1TB. The Ultra model will feature a very similar design to last year's Z Fold 7, while many expect Samsung to add a new base model expected to feature a wider chassis with a better aspect ratio for watching TV and movies on its flexible main display. Unfortunately, Caviar's listing doesn't provide much in the way of other tech specs about the coming Z Fold 8 Ultra, so fans might still have to wait until Samsung Unpacked to get a proper overview. Now, if you're planning to get Samsung's next flagship phone in gold early, you may want to think again, because Caviar says production of your custom phone only begins after full payment. And based on the company's description, it's probably going to take quite a while to do all that enameling and custom gold plating. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.